Camarillo ground, good morning. Cessna 26504 has the weather. We're at the restaurant taxi for a southeast departure. Would like to get flight following set up at 3,500 following the coastline to Whiteman.
Cessna 26504, Camarillo ground, runway 8, taxi via Foxtrot Echo.
Runway 8 via Foxtrot Echo for Cessna 26504.
Cessna 504, expect a right turnout on departure. We're unable flight following on the ground. Once airborne and frequency change, contact Point Magoo on 123.75 for flight following.
Roger, 2375, thanks for 26504.
Okay.
Camarillo ground, November 282, Mike Kilo, holding.
November 282, Mike Kilo, Camarillo ground, say parking.
Taxi to the restaurant.
November 2, Mike Kilo, taxi to restaurant via Hotel, Alpha, Golf, Golf 2.
All right.
Taxi via Hotel, Alpha, Golf, Golf 2. 282, Mike Kilo, thank you.
Clear right, clear left. What is it, Foxtrot Echo?
Yeah, Foxtrot.
26504, Camarillo tower, ready to go?
We are ready to go, sir.
26504, runway 8, clear for takeoff.
Runway 8 clear for takeoff via southeast departure or southeast departure when able.
504, roger, and extend the upwind. I'll call your return southbound.
Roger, we'll code 26504.
Okay, runway is clear.
3 Whiskey Papa, number 1 for runway 8.
858, you start the crosswind now, thank you.
I'll start my crosswind, 858.
79087, traffic follow, heading to your right, in the crosswind at 800 feet of Cessna, report the traffic inside to follow.
Traffic inside 790.
Average speed is alive, 40.
Columbia
60.
Camarillo tower, roger.
Rotate. Keep it at 80.
Number 4 Bravo Golf, traffic follow, approaching your right wing on final, Sirius, number 2, runway 8, clear for the option.
4 Bravo Golf, clear for the option, traffic inside.
4 Bravo Golf, that aircraft is indicating 60 knots. Base turn is your discretion and square your turn to final for spacing.
4 Bravo Golf, roger.
Columbia 3 Whiskey Papa, straight out departure approved, runway 8 clear for takeoff, and the traffic in the upwind will be a slight right turn out. Keep them off your right side.
All right, runway 8 clear for takeoff. We'll keep them off our right side for 583 Whiskey Papa.
We got somebody in front of us at 900. We're at
Right.
600, so he's 300 above us.
Yeah.
Two 26504, do you have the traffic at your 12 o'clock inside extending the upwind?
Negative looking, 26504.
087, start the crosswind now.
Starting crosswind, 79087.
504, they're wing up about 1,000 feet. Should be easier to see for you now.
Inside 26504.
504, roger, maintain visual separation from that aircraft and right turn, your discretion, proofs change approved, have a good day.
We'll maintain visual, right turn out approved, frequency change approved for 26504, have a good day.
Columbia 3 Whiskey Papa,
Number 9841 Whiskey Magoo, approach VFR descent is your discretion, Zulu's current Camarillo.
We have Zulu following, thank you.
Point Magoo approach, good morning, Cessna 26504 just departed Camarillo. We are at 1200. Would like to set up flight following to Whiteman following the coastline eastbound.
Number 5046 type aircraft.
We're Cessna 172 slant Golf.
Number 504 Squawk 4627 for flight following.
4627 for 26504.
Number 85 Hotel, contact SoCal approach 125.2.
We won't bust airspace this time.
Number 41 Whiskey traffic.
Until he says radar contact.
Direction 5000 Cherokee.
Looking for traffic for Whiskey.
Number 8 Charlie Bravo, traffic 12 o'clock, 5 miles, opposite direction 5,200, Cherokee descending to Camarillo.
Looking out for that traffic, Archer 248 Charlie Bravo.
Number 1 Lima Zulu, traffic 1 o'clock, 3 miles, eastbound 5,100, Cherokee.
Looking 1 Lima Zulu.
Number 8 Charlie Bravo, additional traffic at your 7 o'clock, 3 miles, same direction, 5,400, Cirrus looking for you.
Also looking for them, Archer 248 Charlie Bravo.
Traffic in sight, maintain visual 1 Lima Zulu.
Lima Zulu, thank you. Flight check 79er, contact LA Center 132.15. Hey Charlie Bravo, traffic has you in sight.
Roger, I'm still looking out for them, Archer 248 Charlie Bravo.
Hey Charlie Bravo, Roger, the traffic at your...
He's so busy, I can't.
No factor.
Yeah.
Once I get to 3,000, I can go out.
Number 4 on whiskey traffic, previous call traffic, no factor.
No factor for whiskey. Magoo, Columbia 583 Whiskey Papa with request.
Columbia 583 Whiskey Papa, Magoo.
Yeah, I'd like to get flight following to Prescott, Arizona. That's Papa Romeo Charlie, and we're going to be going over there at 13,500, and we're going to be heading over the desert towards Palmdale.
Number 1 Lima Zulu, confirm you still have that traffic in sight?
Yeah, we do. Which way are they going anyhow? Are they just going eastbound? I could go stay to the left here, or I could go behind them.
Lima Zulu, from they're going eastbound, you can make a...
Alright,
You can make a left 10
I'm
degrees.
clear of the airspace.
You got it. Thanks. 1 Lima Zulu, and I do have them in sight.
Lima Zulu, thank you. Contact SoCal approach 134.2. Let me know you have that in sight.
34-2, Roger. 1 Lima Zulu.
Number 8 Charlie Bravo, contact SoCal approach 134.2.
134.2, good day.
November 504 for VFR flight following to Whiteman, squawk 4627.
We are squawking 4627 for 26504, sir.
Roger, ident.
Ident for 26504.
Roger, stand by for our new code, the Whiteman, sir.
Number 3 Papa, 3 Whiskey Papa, squawk 7250.
7250 for 583 Whiskey Papa.
Man, I don't like these. Because I gotta stay to the left here. I mean, to the right.
Right.
But if I go to the right, there's a restricted airspace.
Right.
So I gotta stay to the left. But then to the left, I got all these, you know, bumpy stuff.
Number 504, squawk 4604.
4604 for 26504.
Number 3 Whiskey Papa, radar contact 9 miles northeast, Camarillo Airport, 5,600, indicated altimeter 3008.
3 Whiskey Papa.
November 504, radar contact just 3 miles east NTD, Airport 4001, indicated altimeter 3009.
3009, our position checks for 26504. SoCal approach, any chance we can get Bravo clearance at 4,500 eastbound following the coast for 26504?
504, I missed the beginning of that. You want to descend to 4,500 and go eastbound?
No, sir. I was wondering if we can get 5,500 going eastbound.
Okay, you're landing Whiteman, correct?
We are landing Whiteman, but we're going to go towards Palmdale and then turn back around, come back to land Whiteman.
And the 504, Roger, that's approved. Clip through Bravo via, well, we'll remain north of Santa Monica VOR, but clip through Bravo, north of Santa Monica VOR, ONAV, 5,500.
All right, north of Santa Monica, VOR, on nav at 5,500, cleared into the Bravo for 26504.
That's how you say it.
504, when you, I need you to turn northbound and away from the Bravo once you get around the vicinity of Santa Monica, because I can't have you go eastbound from there.
Roger, for 26504. Approach, we can descend down to 3,500, remain under the Bravo if that helps you.
504 negative, that's fine. 55, I'll let you know if I need something.
Right.
504, 5,500 for the next 15 miles is good, so just let me know if you want to descend, but I prefer you up higher actually.
Okay, no, we'll stay, we prefer to stay at 5,500. We'll remain north of the Santa Monica VOR. We're going to follow the coastline eastbound.
All right, roger. This is the 504. How many more miles before you want to head northbound?
We plan on turning northbound to beam Santa Monica VOR, sir.
Okay, sounds good.
He's 1,500 feet below me, so.
Yeah, I think I see him right there.
And 26504 has that traffic in sight.
Yep.
Out over the ocean right now.
Yeah, I got him.
Make it 265, connect LA Center 135.5.
1355, good morning, American 265.
Oh, is this Santa Monica Airport right below us then?
Yeah.
I see it. Well, I mean, it's more like off to the right a little bit.
Yep, right here.
Yeah.
Somebody is taken off, looks like.
Yeah, I see him.
All right, we'll start our northbound here.
That's 1189, I'm sorry, so that's 1389, approach 12875.
2875, get a southwest 1389.
Cessna 504, connect approach 124.6.
246 for 26504, good day.
26.
5.5.
125.5, Archer 248, Charlie Bravo.
Big Stripe 104, turn right, heading 330, climb, maintain 6,000.
330, 6000, Big Stripe 104.
Circle first, good morning, Cessna 26504 is over Sepulveda Pass at 5,600, planning on climbing to 6,500 towards Palmdale, then coming back to Whiteman.
Big Stripe 104, your radar contact.
104, roger.
SoCal Cessna 26504 is at 5,800. We're climbing to 6,500.
Cessna 26504, SoCal approach, roger. Crypto 98, climb, maintain flight level 190.
Climate 190, Crypto 9.
Whiteman.
504, roger. For now, flying 020, vector for away from the party traffic off of Van Nuys. What altitude do you want to cruise to Palmdale at?
We'll climb to 8,500, and we're turning to 320 for 26504.
Negative, wrong direction, sir. Right turn 020, maintain VFR to below 8,000.
020, below 8,000 for 26504.
I thought he said 320. We're climbing to 8.5. Oh, we'll go to 7.5. Philly will go to 7.
2126 Foxtrot, that NODUC just joined your approach course check and inbound on
Because we're going eastbound.
2126 Foxtrot.
Unless he gives me.
Approach at NODUC. We inform when established.
504, you'll be for climbing 8,500 approved, stay in that heading.
Roger, 26504.
Number 26504, reset your transponder, squawk 4734. 4734, just go ahead and recycle that transponder for me as well as I'm rolling the first one.
4734 for 26504.
504, thanks. For 5325 Bravo, contact Flamingo approach 123.75, 2375.
23.75, 25 Bravo.
Hey, SoCal, Sun Journey 19 is with you. We're out of 2300 for 6.
Sun Journey 19, SoCal departure, we're to contact, climb via the SID, except maintain 13,000.
Via the SID, except 13, Sun Journey 19.
We'll level off 7,400.
For 504, you can resume navigation to Palmdale.
On navigation for 26504, thanks.
Alright, we're climbing back.
2126 Fox, are you over NODUC? Prax approach is approved, maintain VF at all times, no part separation service provided.
Practice approach approved, 2126 Foxtrot.
6 Foxtrot, be advised.
Get away from those mountains.
When you get Delta.
We'll grab Delta, 2126 Foxtrot.
At 26504, yeah, okay, I thought you were going over to Palmdale first. Turn right to Palmdale, resume navigation. Need to keep away from departing traffic.
Roger, we're inbound to Palmdale now, and we're going to stay at 7,500 for 26504.
504, if you want to go somewhere before Palmdale, let me know, because I may have to restrict you again. But if you want to go to Palmdale, that's approved this time at 85. If not, let me know what your intentions are.
All right, we're turning towards Palmdale here in about 2 miles, sir, for 26504.
504, Roger. Traffic off your left, 9 o'clock, 2 miles, climbing into 6 highs at G4.
Looking.
319, departure 124.6 today.
24.6, adios.
Everybody's like, what are you doing?
Yep. I want you to have like a straight destination, that's it.
Yeah, no. Or VFR. There's snow on the mountains.
If you live here, you just get on your four-wheeler and ride
climbing
around.
back to 120.
Flight check 79, Josh approach, welcome, Palmdale, altimeter 3017.
3017, flight check 79.
We're 15 miles from Whiteman after, well, 6 o'clock. I'm going to go for about 10 minutes
131, Palmdale,
and then turn back around.
3017, say destination airport. Roger, just report on station.
That looks like an airport right over there.
That's Palmdale.
Oh, yeah. I can see the runways.
You're going to have traffic off to my left, going that way. It says, but where is he? Okay, not seeing him. So this is internet traffic, so it's not accurate.
Right.
So that may have passed already.
Oh.
Yeah, it gets bumpy here.
Air 504, squawk 4634.
4634 for 26504.
I'll have to let him know. For some reason, my transponder keeps... That's Palmdale, babe, right there.
Yeah.
Big runway. There's Palmdale Lake right here.
Yeah, I see it.
Air 736, Bravo, Foxtrot, traffic, 9 o'clock, 4 miles, maneuvering, UAV and chase plan at 11,500.
6 Bravo, Foxtrot, I'll be looking.
UAV 14, traffic 12 o'clock, 3 miles, southwestbound, 10,500, Cessna 172.
That's me.
Yeah.
Well, coming back this way, I need to either be above, 1,000 feet above, or below.
Okay.
I think I'm going to go up.
Joshua, Spirit 1270, 1740, sending 14000.
Spirit Wings 1270, Josh approach, welcome, Palmdale, Simmer 3017. Expect Palmdale at 12,000.
Expected Spirit 1270.
Joshua, velocity 14275.
Our ground speed is 92 right now.
14275, Josh approach, go ahead.
So we got pretty good headwinds.
We're at velocity just west of southwest of Foxfield. Light flight following to Corona, please, if you can fit us in.
We're 14275, the altimeter is 3017, squawk 4734.
4734.
Yeah, it gets bumpy, told you.
Joshua, flight check 79. We're about 20 or so miles from 2515. I just want to confirm we're cleared through 2515 and 2808.
Flight check 79, firm, just waiting for Ford to take the handoff.
Thank you.
Velocity 275, radar contact 6 miles south of the Fox Airport, stay altitude.
Approach Flint 31 on station.
131, roger.
So pretty much from here all the way to Vegas, it's like this.
Right. Yeah, that's where it flattens out.
Uh-huh.
Spirit Wings 1270, cross Palmdale at 12,000 and Jenny at maintain 8,000.
Cross Palmdale at 12,000 and Jenny at 8,000, Spirit 1270.
Spirit winds 1270, traffic 12 o'clock, 10 miles southeastbound, 17,000, climbing type unknown.
Looking, Spirit 1270.
Right above us.
Yeah, but they're to our right.
Yeah.
No factor, otherwise he will call it out. A 1,000 feet above us from left to right.
Flight check 79, contact sport on 132.75.
132.75, flight check 79.
That's right there.
Oh, okay.
1,000 feet above us, so. The way you look for traffic off your 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock?
Yeah.
So you make gentle banks to raise or lower the wing?
Right.
I don't have them.
Ready?
Alright, so we're going to make our turn back. And circle approach, or Joshua approach, Cessna 26504, we're going to do a left 180 and back to Whiteman, climbing to 85.
Cessna 504, roger. Cessna 504, maintain VFR at or below 7.
At or below 7,000 for Cessna 26504.
50 Foxtrot, traffic 1 o'clock, 10 miles. Opposite direction, altitude indicates 9,500.
7,000.
Traffic 50 Foxtrot.
So he wants me to stay below 7,000, which will have to go 6,500 back, which is going to be a little bumpy, or bumpier than.
Right.
Shark 210, say destination. Skyhawk 21 Sierra, say destination.
210, destination Oscar X-Ray Romeo.
Skyhawk 21 Sierra, roger, maintain VFR at or below 7,000 traffic.
VFR at or below 7,000 for traffic, 210.
Velocity 275, radar contact lost.
Okie dokie, sir. We're still with you.
November 48 Pop traffic, 12 o'clock, 2 miles, opposite direction, 2 targets, 7,700 and 7,400. Papa, out, copy. November 6448 Papa, Joshua approach.
We're going to hard this, go back that way.
Okay.
6,500.
Approach, Comanche 6448 Papa with you at 8,500.
November 6448 Papa Josh approach, Palmdale altimeter 3016.
Roger, 3016 for Papa.
Sorry, Papa, I was trying to give you some traffic calls there. You just passed a couple of aircraft opposite direction, 7,500. 50 Foxtrot traffic, no factor.
50 Foxtrot, copy.
Great Wings 1270 as a red.
Smooth.
Nanza 2A Mike, contact Los
Not
Angeles.
smooth here.
126.35, good day.
126.35, thank you.
Okay, 120 ground speed now, we're moving.
Citation 80 Tango, contact Los Angeles Center now 126.35, good day.
Citation 5680 Tango, push 12635.
Approach Wind 31 needs to reposition 7 to the east.
Wind 31 approved as requested.
Wind 150.
We'll stay at 6500. It says wind is calm.
Velocity 275, contact SoCal approach 125.5, good day.
25.5, thank you for your help, buddy.
Great Wings 1270, contact SoCal approach 120.4, good day. Great Wings 1270, SoCal approach now 120.4, good day.
20.4, 31270, good day.
I don't know what freeway that is.
Approach, flight at 588, 14,000.
This is the 5, probably.
Goes all the way.
Josh approach, Palm altimeter 3016, clear direct Janie, descend and maintain 12,000, expect Janie at 8.
Direct Janie, 12,000, expect Janie at 8, flight at 588.
Josh for departure, November 108 Echo Delta, Buckhorn departure, Edwards 2800.
Track 108, Echo Delta, Josh approach, squawk 0440, Palmdale, altimeter 3016.
0440, 3016 for 108, that's Delta.
I feel like these things are so close to me, you know?
Josh approach, November 949 Tango, X-ray 10,500.
November 949 Tango X-ray, Josh approach, Palm altimeter 3016.
3016, November 949 Tango.
And approach Skyhawk, 8 Echo Delta requesting pattern work, William J. Fox.
Calling Josh on landline, taken.
Skyhawk 8 Echo Delta requesting pattern work in William J. Fox.
Skyhawk 8 Echo Delta, roger, your radar contact 10 north, Fox 2, contact Fox 7, have a good day.
North Fox 7, have a good one, 809.
Can't get the weather yet because the mountains are...
November 48, Pop contact Los Angeles Center 125.8, good day.
125.8, good day, sir.
November 504, contact SoCal approach 120.4, good day.
20.4 for 26504, good day.
3,000.
41 miles, sky clear. Vector 18, 2.-5, 3011. Advise on this contact you have.
Alpha, Foxtrot, Oscar, Foxtrot.
Delta.
Direct to navigation.
Direct to the right, contours of navigation,
2.-5, 3011.
Zero Wings 1270, contact approach 134.2.
134.2, switch. Circle approach, Cessna 26504 at 6,500, landing at Whiteman with Delta.
Cessna 26504, SoCal, Burbank, altimeter 3009er.
3009 for 26504. Alright, so we'll cross this at
Flagship 588, onset approach 134.2.
Delta 17552, flipping 1006, visibility 10 miles, sky clear.
every time I'm listening to the weather is when they start talking. Look, nobody's talking, watch.
In use. Hazardous weather advisory is available on all places.
Traffic 5 miles, northwestbound Cessna 4500 in a VIA Park line.
Looking for traffic, not inside 26504.
Flight 449, traffic 2 o'clock, 3 miles, southbound Cessna 5200, descending. He'll pass just off your right.
They're in a climb.
Yeah.
Okay, he's to my right, 300 feet below, so I'll stay left here.
Cessna 504, the traffic's just off your right, no factor. Contact Whiteman Tower 135.0.
Over to Tower for 26504, thanks for your help.
Flight 449, traffic's no.
Whiteman Tower, good morning, Cessna 26504 is over Newell Pass, inbound, full stop with Delta.
Cessna 26504, Whiteman Tower, make a straight in, runway 12, report 3 mile final.
Straight in for 12 and we'll report the 3 mile final for Cessna 26504. Because it doesn't want to get down. I'm on idle right now.
Right down departure for
and I'm still high.
Yeah.
Right down departure for Van Nuys, 3 Charlie.
25 Hotel Bravo 4 stacks departure approved, outer below 2.5, runway 12, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 12, outer below 2,500, 5 Hotel Bravo.
TV5, slight right turn to follow the Cessna, off your 1 to 2 o'clock.
Alright, wow, we're getting down.
1,800, 1 mile final.
TV5, we got him in sight now.
TV5, number 2, following the Cessna, runway 12, cleared, low approach, over taxi departing Delta.
2 cleared, low approach, Delta, park TV5.
Keeping it at 70, traffic on the roll.
I see.
After 3, Charlie Hotel, frequency change approved, Van Nuys, see ya.
Roger, appreciate the help. 3 Charlie Hotel with you.
Flaps full.
Cessna 730 Tango Juliet, Whiteman ground, runway 12, taxi Alpha. TV5 Hotel Bravo, contact Burbank 1187.
18-7, 5 Hotel Bravo.
How was that?
That was smooth.
It wanted to hop a little on you.
Yeah.
Yeah. I did notice it hopped, but after we landed, it was pretty smooth.
Yeah. He was probably like, really? Gonna go all the way down? I'm gonna be like, yeah, because I need to put hours on it.
Cessna 504, turn left at the end, taxi to parking, the Alpha giveaway at TV helicopter, and down to the pads off Delta.
Roger, taxi to, taxi via Alpha will give way to the helicopter. We're going back to Vista. Alright, landing lights are off, taxi lights are on. We're going to lean for, let's get down to, yeah.
I'm like, where are they?
Yeah. Man, this is tight as can be. So you guys can help me unpack. Just grab whatever you can.
Okay.
Except for my, you know, iPad and Clear left and clear right. I'm thinking we're just gonna pull it up right here.
Yeah.
All right, let's do the checklist. The avionics are coming off. Let's squawk VFR first.